Assalamualaikum CSS parents, welcome back to the channel. We are discussing Pakistan affairs syllabus and today topic is economic challenges of Pakistan. So today we are diving into some of the most pressing economic challenges facing Pakistan right now. From the persistent trade imbalance and soaring external debt to the ongoing energy crisis and widespread tax evasion, so these issues are shaping the country's economic future and affecting the daily lives of millions. So understanding these challenges is crucial for anyone interested in Pakistan affairs, especially CS aspirants preparing for their exams. So let's break down these complex topics and see how they connect to the current situations in Pakistan. So Pakistan economic challenges. Pakistan faces significant economic challenges including a substantial trade imbalance, a growing burden of external debt, a persistent energy crisis, a widespread tax evasion. So these issues contribute to a cycle of fiscal deficit and hinder the country's economic stability and growth. Economic challenges are trade imbalance, external debt, and energy crisis and tax evasion. So Pakistan has historically struggled with the trade deficit, spending more on imports than it earns from exports. So this imbalance exacerbates the current account deficit, which reached $18.2 billion in 2018, up from $2.7 billion in 2015. A major contributor to this deficit is increased imports, particularly under projects like CPEC, alongside generally low export volumes. So efforts to address this include emphasizing export-led growth, overhauling export policies, promoting textile and emerging exports, prioritizing the agriculture sector. Then external debt. Pakistan external debt is a significant concern. So IMF projects Pakistan external debt to reach $126.731 billion in 2025-2026, increasing further to $131.688 billion in 2026 and 27. So as of March 2025, Pakistan total external debt and liabilities stood at $130.31 billion. So this high debt burden leads to substantial interest payments, with 30.7% of government expenditure allocated to debt servicing. So the country's large gross financing needs and difficulty in securing external financing pose high risk to debt sustainability, especially given low fiscal and reserve buffers. So timely disbursements of committed bilateral and multilateral support are crucial for managing this debt. Then energy crisis. So the ongoing energy crisis severely impacts Pakistan industry and economy. This crisis manifests in several ways, like rising energy tariff force businesses with low margins to close, unannounced load shedding and voltage fluctuations damage industrial machinery, unavailability of electricity, reduced workforce productivity. So Pakistan over reliance on petroleum products for electricity. In generation, nearly 63% of total production is oil based and has led to unsustainable circular debt due to increasing oil prices, so burdening the national exchequer and limiting funds for other government expenses. Then tax evasion. So Pakistan flood taxation policy characterized by tax exemptions and significant tax evasion contribute to increasing fiscal deficit. And in 2018, Pakistan tax revenue was only 13% of its GDP. The country has seen a decline in revenues while expenditures have increased, leading to half-year fiscal deficit of 2.7% and of GDP in the current fiscal year. So weak governance and a poorly regulated financial system facilitate tax evasion, further exacerbating the fiscal deficit. So addressing this requires reforms on the revenue front, including improved tax collection mechanism. Pakistan is actively restricting and recognizing its debt. So despite fiscal consolidation efforts and progress in lengthening domestic debt maturities, near-term risk to sovereign stability remain high. So the country's persistent economic challenges have led it to seek numerous loans from the IMF, with current request being its 22. So while total public debt growth moderated to 6.7% by March 2025, compared to 7.4% in the preceding year. So primarily due to an increased primary surplus, the overall debt burden remains a critical issue, and managing these intertwined economic challenges is crucial for Pakistan to avoid bankruptcy and foster sustainable economic development. So let's wrap up our overview of Pakistan key economic challenges. While the problems of trade deficits, external debt, energy shortages, and tax evasion are daunting, and they also present opportunities for reform and growth. While the right policies and strong governance, Pakistan can overcome these hurdles and move toward a more stable and prosperous future. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content of Pakistan affairs and siyasat preparation. Thanks for watching.